YouTube, what's really good? It is your guy Hitch. I hope you guys are all enjoying your summer. I told you guys that lacing tutorials have been one of my most requested videos, and because the Jordan 14 has had like some really good releases over the last 2 years, the black toes last year, which I still need a pair of, and then this year them bringing back for the first time ever the Ferrari 14s, I figured this is the perfect time to make sure you guys have your pairs laced the right way. As always, you want to start with the laces completely out of your sneakers. Now my foot is not in here yet because the first set of eyelets are a little bit difficult to start off with. So step one, take each of your lace tips. You're gonna enter the lace eyelets from the top down on both sides. Once you have done that, you really just want to even everything up and make sure the laces are flat and neat. Now that that's complete, what we're going to do is work our way up to the 5th lace eyelet. And the way we're going to do that is enter each one of the lace eyelets from the top down. And on the way there, there's 2 lace loops on the tongue. We are going to use the first one.
Same thing in a fuck you, same thing in a peace sign. Can't stop, won't stop, cause it's not in my design. No, till I don't wanna own it, I just wanna get my lease up. On the road to the riches, disobeying street signs.
So we're almost there, but if you notice, I'm leaving some quote-unquote hang time with the laces because I want my sneakers to be comfortable and loose, but at the same time laying the laces down flat to keep everything nice and neat. So we're at the 5th lace eyelet. Now I'm just going to do some fine tuning of these laces, make sure everything fits the way I want them to be. And then lastly, we're going to skip the 6th lace eyelet and finish on the last one.
Don't run up on my G-Rock. When my dudes lose gold, best friend. Great later, fuck less than. Count money in blessings. Niggas know I'm the best man, no question. Blow down to the socks, I'm a question.
So typically I do not tie any of my J's 14s the same exact way. I was able to still skip one of my lace eyelets, which is always one of my goals when lacing my kicks. They're nice and neat, still a little bit comfortable, and I'm good to go. I don't have many, but all of my Jordan 14s are laced the same exact way, and they're not really the most difficult sneaker to lace. But what I find myself doing on the 14s that I don't really do on any other sneaker is using at least one of the tongue lace loops when lacing them up, and it's really because the tongue on the 14 is so loose. Pause. But I'm just curious, do you guys typically use the tongue lace loops when you are lacing up your kicks? Hit the comments, let me know. Also, I mentioned the last 2 Jordan 14 releases were successful, but in reality, it's like the last 4. The Michael Finley PEs sold pretty well. You also have that cool gray, flint gray colorway that did pretty decent. And then even going back to the Toro Reds from the pandemic, those sold pretty well. So it would actually be interesting or appreciated if Jordan Brand leaned in to the 14s a little bit more, get creative with some of the colorways, and the 15s of course, because at some point, like, you gotta stop just releasing Jordan 1 through 5s 1,000 times. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know when I have other videos dropping. Lastly, if you have wanted a lacing tutorial for a sneaker that is not in that playlist up above or behind me, go and hit the comments, let me know, and I'll do my best to get it done for you. I'm out.
My tears only right, I laugh to the bank, laugh to the bank. Can't stop for a red light. Still but broke Kanye, can't wait till my bread right. Can't wait till my bad boy suckin' that five. The head right, Molly there at night. Young kick from the field and I stay fly. Pull up, only question with the bed light. Kill pussy, it ain't got not live. Hard timing like a Nissan. Then bring that's 10 man. Clone with the B-side, pro room with the kickstand.
Kick it, that's bang.
Your team full of has-been, no hope like a Knicks fan.
Like a Knicks fan, Knicks fan.
No we and I,
No we.
just mad cause I been here.
Just mad 'cause I been that nigga.